In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule an email in Gmail. Scheduling an email is a simple way to make sure your message lands at the perfect time, whether you're working across time zones or just want something to arrive first thing in the morning. Let's walk through it from start to finish so you can do it confidently in a couple of clicks. First, open Gmail in your browser and sign in. Click the Compose button to start a new message. Before anything else, add at least one recipient in the To field. Gmail won't let you schedule an email unless someone is listed there, so it's best to add the recipient right away. Next, fill out the rest of your message as you normally would. Add a clear subject line, write your email body, and attach any files you need. Take a moment to proofread and make sure everything is ready to go, because the time you choose will determine exactly when this message is sent. Now, look at the bottom of the Compose window. You'll see the Send button, and right next to it there's a small downward arrow. When you're finished writing your email, click that arrow. A short menu will appear. Choose Schedule Send. Gmail will show a few suggested times, like tomorrow morning or next week's start. If one of those fits your plan, simply click it and you're set. If you need a specific moment, choose the option to select a date and time. A calendar and time picker will open. Click the date you want, type or select the exact time, and confirm. Gmail uses your account's time zone for scheduling, so the message will go out according to that local time. If you travel or collaborate globally, pick a time that aligns with your recipient's workday for the best results. After you confirm, Gmail will display a brief confirmation letting you know the email is scheduled. You don't need to leave your browser open for it to send. Gmail will handle delivery automatically at the time you chose. That's all there is to it. To recap, compose your message, make sure there's at least one recipient in the To field, click the small arrow next to Send, select Schedule Send, and either pick one of the suggested times or set a custom date and time. With this simple feature, you can plan ahead, stay organized, and communicate at exactly the right moment without needing to be at your computer.